Everyone, today's unboxing is a Japanese handsaw. Welcome to my channel. So the reason I bought this handsaw is it's much easier than the European British handsaw. So you get a clean cut and then much faster process. So let's just show you. It looks like a kitchen. Right, so you get the protectors on each side. So this is what it looks like. I'm just cutting this little trim here. And it does feel like cutting through a slice of bread. It's really quick. Effortless. Quick as that, you see. It gives a really clean cut. It doesn't, bits don't break off. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheerio now.